Hi you all, this is Jamaican Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a magic mirror. So I'm going to show you all of the steps. And while you're at it, please like, share, and subscribe to let me know that you all love the content and I can keep going. Stay tuned. I purchased a magic mirror from the Blank Spot and I'll include their information in the description below. I will be making my mom a Christmas gift with pictures of her and her favorite people, her grands. So this is the magic mirror box that it comes in. Of course, it includes the magic mirror and there's also a cord. So in case you don't want to use batteries, you can plug it up, but I'm going to be using batteries. And look, it includes a friendly little note telling you where to sub at. So this says, do not sub on this side, smiley face. So of course, now we know to sub on the other side. While my heat press is warming up, I set the temperature for 400 degrees for 45 seconds. And I'm going to cut out my image. I use sublimation paper. I will again include the link in the description below. So I'm not cutting evenly. I'm just going to do it and then lay the sublimation blank on top of the image. Do not forget your heat tape. I'm using a whole bunch because I'm scared something crazy might happen, might move. And instead, I'm using printer paper on my heat press to make sure the ink doesn't go through. So it'll be fine. It won't burn or do anything crazy, to just make sure that my heat press is kept kind of clean as can be. Okay, I figured out something later on. Also, instead of doing sublimation, if you don't have that equipment, you can also print out an image off your regular printer and insert that image inside of the magic mirror. I love subbing, but that's also an option as well. Just print the image, cut it out the same size, and insert it into the magic mirror. Oh my God, when I tell you my mom is going to love this, she is absolutely going to love this. Everything came out perfect and I will be purchasing from the Blank Spot again. Thanks for watching and happy crafting, everyone.